just introduce myself. I am Pastor Steve Wilson, and I am the lead pastor here. One of the greatest responsibilities I have is to be able to work with a great staff, and today we're going to try to describe what they do. The first person I want to talk about is Lee Wilson. Lee is, of course, my wife and a new addition to our team and our staff. Does an excellent job in the office. She has absolutely improved our production on a daily basis. Friendly face at the front desk, also answers the phone great, and just does so many things around here. You can always find her at the front of the desk, making sure that every phone call is answered with a great attitude, making sure that she's never distracted by anything else but so focused on her job. She's an absolute asset to this environment in our office, and we thank God for her. Our associate pastor, Steve Spears. Pastor Spears is responsible for all of our adult ministries, also our visitation and our pastoral care. He just does so much around here. But in the office, one of the things that's so known to everyone in our office, you always find him in the office studying. He is one of the most studious pastors on the staff, and just a great asset to our team, and we just thank God for Pastor Steve as well. Next is our property and grounds manager, which is Don and Valerie Willis. Wow, what can you say? Every week they work so hard to make sure that our grounds look fabulous. You can find them literally scrubbing the floor. You can find them riding lawnmowers and just taking care of all of the things that most people would never even think about doing. They are true servants, and I can't say enough about them. They are just a great asset to our church environment and our team as well, and we thank God for them as well. Carolyn Carter, what do you say? She is the greatest hostess any church could ever have. She does so many things around here to help our team. She's always feeding people and buying great supplies for the church that often we take for granted. But she's always the person that makes that happen. Never thinks about herself, always is concerned about others. And again, just so many things. What can you say? Carolyn is a great asset to our team as well. Jane Van Devener, of course, is our treasurer. She's our office administrator as well. And our clerk here at our church, and just there's so many other jobs that you can't really give them a title, but she's the one that makes things run so smoothly around our office. She always has a great attitude. You always find her organized in some room, putting files together and just making sure that everything is in its place. And I can't say enough about Jane, but she is a fabulous asset to our entire team, and we thank God for her as well. Pastor Kathy Baggerly, just in my opinion, one of the greatest children's pastors anyone could have at a church. She is absolutely so dedicated to her job, dedicated to the children of our local church, dedicated to help our team. You can find her in her office always working on something that's extremely important, that's extremely valuable. She doesn't get caught up on the small things. She's so looking at the big picture always and just so focused on ministry. She's just absolutely an awesome asset to our entire team, and we thank God that Pastor Kathy is our children's pastor. One of the newest team members is Pastor David Brown, who is our youth pastor, and he's just doing a great job. We're so excited about his passion for kids and young people and adults, and just caring about everyone. He's a great joy to have in the office on a daily basis. He's always laughing and always bringing great creativity to every discussion, and he's just so centered on his work all the time and just so focused, and we just thank God that he's a part of our team, and you'll never find him goofing off. He's always very serious and always very excited and focused on everything and just doing a great job, and never does he waste 1 minute in one day. Our worship pastor, which is Pastor Brian Wilson, he is just doing a fabulous job. We're so thankful that he's on the team. He's bringing new ideas and great changes and helping us understand the importance of worship. But inside the office, he brings all this creativity, and he's so good with video and cameras and the website. He just takes care of so many aspects, and he's just absolute joy to have be a part of our team. And we're just so glad he's here. And one of the things I love about him is he's always in that office practicing and getting ready to make things everything that we do here excellent. And so we just are really glad to have Pastor Brian. You'll never find these guys wasting time playing in the office. They're so focused on their job. One of the things, environment that we are in is, although we have a good time and have a lot of fun, there's never any distractions. I am very thankful about having the staff that we have, specifically because they work as a team, they laugh as a team, we cry as a team, we pray as a team, we fix things, we try to think of ideas together that would be beneficial for the entire team, and not just our team, but be beneficial for our city and for our church. And so I just want to say to our church that we are very blessed and honored, and I personally feel honored and blessed to be able to serve with such great people. And there's just no way to say how much we appreciate our team at Pierce Road Church. We are blessed. And our staff is just the greatest staff ever. I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm trying, but all I can do is see that in the back of my mind. Oh.
I think that's enough of the turkey.
Okay.
Chelsea me and her do a high five.
Oh my God, that's great. Jane and the turkey doing our 5.